We're back out here in the garage. You see I got it open a little bit. It's really a mess because from Christmas decorations and winter, and it has it all messed up. But no matter, we're gonna do a cold start on the lawnmower. I bet you this puppy here, if I'm gonna give it the full throttle here, plus choke. Okay, this has a Briggs & Stratton power built 8 horsepower engine. I already checked the oil. The oil's good. I'm gonna watch it with this like this, and then I'm just gonna drop it down to idle. It's probably gonna fire up like it's brand new. We'll do this for you if you want. Turn the ignition on, and then let's see that? Fired up like it's brand new. That's what's nice about this lawnmower. It doesn't matter what the temperature is, it'll fire right up. And it's about -20 outside, and it's probably 0 in here, so Fahrenheit that is. I mean, this puppy's awesome. As you can see, too, all the snow and whatnot. But still, we'll give it a little cranking up for you. But yeah. Let you go here. I just figured might as well film it, show you guys it cranking up, how good it starts, and but yeah, and there's some guy backing up in our driveway. I don't know who he is, I don't know what he's doing, whatever, but yeah, I figured I'd show you starting it up. Why not show you how good this thing starts? It's like a 2000, I think, 2001 model, but it's hardly been ran. It probably only has, like, it does not have a lot of hours. It's sat for quite a few years. I mean, this is the first year it's been running for a while, but just got a carb clean. That's all. It fired right up in a new belt for the deck. Just like brand new, so yeah. It's got a 5-speed, you know, so let you go. See ya.